नमस्कार. गोमंतक टीव्हीच्या साष्टीकार्य कार्यावळीक तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. सद्याक जर गोंयांत एक विशय जो गाजता आनी सगळ्याचें लक्ष ताजेर आसा तो म्हणजे आमचे सुभाष वेलिंगकार आनी आमचे सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर हाचेर केल्ले एक आक्षेपारे उदान ताका लागून जाल्लें आंदोलन. ताज्या फाटल्यान ही केस कोर्टाक पावून काल वेलिंगकाराक बेल ताचो एंटिसिपेटरी बेल नाकारलो तांकां आनी ताका लागून आतां फुडले गजाली कितें जावपाचे आसा ताजेर ते लोकांचें सगळें लक्ष आसा. पूण एकंदर हें आंदोलन कित्याक लागून जालें, हें आंदोलन कशें जालें, हातूंत आमचें जें राज्य सरकार आसा तें आपलें कर्तव्य पाळपाक यशस्वी जालें काय जालें ना, हे सगळे हाजेर विशयाचेर आमचे कडेन चर्चा करपाक आमी आज आपयल्यात. ते आमचे क्लियोफात बाब कुतिनो आल्मेर हांकां. दोतोर येवकार तुका. दोतोर एक हें की सद्याक एक आमच्या नॅशनल लेवलाचेर आनीक स्टेट लेवलाचेर एक वेगळेच एक म्हणटा आंदोलनां आनीक हाजेर हे तातूंत भितर हो एक इशू जाता आनीक तो इतलो पेट्टा आनीक सगळे म्हणजे अप टू कोर्टा कडेन पावून तो आतां नॉट ओन्ली गोंयचें लक्ष न्ही, सगळें आमचे देशाचें लक्ष हे हाजे कडेन लागिल्लें आसा म्हणल्यार आतां. सो हें जर सगळें जर पळयलें तूं एनालिसीस कशें करतलें सगळें प्रकरण?
द एनालिसीस अशी करपा जाय की DNA ऑफ हेट स्पीच हे आमी सोदून काडपा जाय.
ओके.
हे इशू तर आमी पळयले जायत. मुगेल भाशेन सुभाष वेलिंगकर इज नॉट डुईंग इट फर्स्ट टायम, ही इज डुईंग इट सेकंड टायम. एक म्हणत आसा बट ऑन द इश्यू ऑफ सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर सेकंड मेजर वन तेणे एक पाट 2 वर्स फाटीं तो साहेब नुंच पण एक इश्यू केलो गरज भायर. दिस टायम तो DNA करपाक जाय म्हूण इश्यू केलो. मुगे भाशेन गरज भायर गरज नासतना इफ यू लूक रेलेवन्स कांयच ना. द ओन्ली रेलेवन्स इज तो आपूण रेलेवंट रावपाक सोदता. हाव ही वॉज ट्रायंग टू ब्रिंग द फोकस ऑन हिम. दॅट वॉज द ओन्ली इश्यू. बट अनफॉर्च्युनेटली द अदर साइड fell prey to this and they made him a hero. According to me, he should have been ignored. But this does not mean that what he said was not to incite the other side. He was inciting the other side. He was bringing passion on the other side, but they should not have fallen prey to this.
दोतोर हांव आमचो असोच आनीक प्रसंग फादर बॉलमॅक्साचेर आयिल्लो आनी आतां ते बॉलमॅक्साचे फादर बॉलमॅक्साचे आनीक आमचो हो कोण वेलिंगकार हांचे एकमेका कडेन तुळा करतात. ताणें अशें केलें मागीर हाणें अशें केलें की ना हांव सांगता. हांव फादर बॉलमॅक्सा कडेन उलयलो. फादर बॉलमॅक्स म्हणटा की जर ताचो ते स्टेटमेंट पळयलो जाल्यार ताका तसो व्हडलो आक्षेप घेवपाक कांय ना. कारण तोच पळोवपा आनी तो म्हणटा हें जर उतर वेलिंगकारान काडनासतना बाकीचे कोणाय काडिल्ले जाल्यार तो लोक ताका इतले हे पासून दिवचे नाशिल्ले म्हणटा किंमत फकत वेलिंगकारान काडला म्हणून आता. कारण तो म्हणटा तो तूं म्हणटा तशें परत इनसायट करता लोकांक हे करपाक, लोकांक रस्त्यार येवपाक ताजें एक हे आसा. तो म्हणटा हाज्या पयलीं बी जेन्ना ताणें आमच्या साकवाचे चर्चेचें हें केलें तेन्ना लोक अशेंच हें केल्ले खुबळिल्ले. पूण तेन्ना चर्चीन एक समंजसाची भुमिका घेवन लोकांक सांगलें तुमी रस्त्याचेर बी कांय येवपाची गरज ना. सो ताका लागून सो मेन म्हणटा तो म्हणटा फकत हो सुभाष वेलिंगकारान इश्यू काडला म्हूण इतलो पेटलो, नाजाल्यार कांयच जावचें नाशिल्लें.
पळय, फर्स्ट आय विल डील विथ फादर बॉलमॅक्स. बॉलमॅक्स गॉट एंटिसिपेटरी बेल एट द फर्स्ट इन्स्टन्स. एक जालें. बॉलमॅक्साचेर केस घातल्या ती हायकोर्टान क्वॉश केली. सो इट मीन्स दॅट देर वॉज नो केस मेड आउट एट ऑल. सो लेट अस नॉट इक्वेट द टू. As far as Vellinkar is concerned, according to me, this was by design. आता exposition जावपाचें आहा आनी he only wants to create disharmony in society. He wants to see that the other side बेश्टे चाळून घालप तांकां. Now this is because I am repeating, he wants to be a hero of the majority. See, finally today he is not in the RSS also. He is not in the power structure of Goa. He is a Johnny Nobody. Now, as a Johnny Nobody, he is trying to bring attention to himself by this type of statements. But muge bhashin, somehow he succeeded in his design of bringing the focus on him.
आनीक स्टेटीन ह्या हाजेर जशें रिएक्ट जावपाक जाय आशिल्लें तशें जालें काय म्हणून
चोय मुगे भाशेन द स्टेट वेटेड फॉर टू लॉंग इवन सुप्रीम कोर्ट म्हणटा एक हेट स्पीच जाली सो मोटो देर शुड हॅव बीन FIR.
ओके
If the state had filed a so moto FIR against him,
and provision is there in the
no, the High Court, the Supreme Court has ordered that in every matter of hate speech, if this is a matter of hate speech, file a FIR. And muge bhashin tari inga doubtuch na what he said, the tone and tenor in which he said was hate speech. So the state should have filed a FIR. And if the state had acted in filing a FIR, say within first 24 hours, this issue would not have gone to this extent. And finally, when I say it has gone to this extent, I am saying this extent because it was an unorganized mob. People came out almost on their own, finding that nothing is happening. So I would say there was almost no leadership as far as those 2 days are concerned. And in those 2 days, as I looked at it, the police also could have controlled the crowd by not disrupting the routes. People may have blocked at 1 or 2 places, but the police, according to me, also acted in a manner as to aid the mob. In the first 2 days, they could have acted slightly proactively in dealing with the people. Itlo chod nashillo that the police force was outnumbered म्हणपाक.
No, but एक आता तूं म्हणटा की 24 वरां भितर जर हे FIR हे केल्लो दाखल करून घेतिल्लो जाल्यार हो इतलो इश्यू पावत नाशिल्लो म्हणटा. पूण म्हाका एक सांग हे केलना कित्याक लागून मुद्दम केलना काय तुका दिसता काय इट इज अ लेथर्जी ऑन पार्ट ऑफ
power off?
See, according to me, I don't know whether it is lethargy on the part of police kai muddam kelna. Possibly the government was reluctant to act on its own. Maybe the government felt that they should not act on their own. Maybe the government thought that this would die down on its own. Maybe the government was with him, I don't know. But the Supreme Court is very clear. This April, they said, in every case of hate speech, there must be a suo motu FIR. In fact, the Supreme Court has directed all the Director General of Police to tell their subordinates to see that the FIR is launched in all such cases.
आमी बिलाचे जे टॅक्निकल हे आसता ते मागीर येवे लास्ट तातूंत येवे पूण ताचे पयलीं म्हाका ओन्ली ऑन द आमचे एजुकेशन जाल्लें जें लोक कितले आयले ती आयले आनी फकत मडगांवाकूच जावना थंय काणकोणा भायर सरले लोक आमचे अंजुणा भायर सरले हांगा फोंड्या भायर सरले वाळपय म्हणटा ते सारके जाग्याचेर भायर सरले. सो
see that is what I am saying. The statement of Velinkar was designed to incite the people. The state was not acting, the people got incited. They should not have got incited, that's a different issue. The people got incited, they came out on their own. But I will say that the civil society and the church in particular played a great role in dousing the flames. पळय तेमी स्टेटमेंट काढलो that not to act on this statement. शांत राव, तुम्ही भायर सरनाका, तुम्ही रस्ते आडायनाका, हो स्टेटमेंट येतोकूच immediately the thing stopped. In fact, I would say the church, the bishop and the church bodies were under a lot of pressure from the people as to why they are not acting. In fact, there were WhatsApp groups which were circulating that the bishop has abdicated his responsibility. There were messages which said that a bishop is not looking after his flock. And in fact, one WhatsApp message I saw telling the bishop to go out of Goa in case he cannot look after his people. Now, the church was also under pressure from the people. But hats off to the church.
Okay.
They played a great role in seeing that the temples were cooled. And also the civil society members also played a great role in telling the people that we have a bigger fight, and the bigger fight is to protect Goa.
Yeah, okay.
And these small fights shall dissipate our energy, and the bigger fight will remain there only. That also helped people realize that they should not fight on these small issues.
तो सर एक आमचे परत म्हणजे बेलाचो टेक्निकल काल ताका आमचे वेलिंगकराक बेल डिनाय केला, एंटिसिपेटरी बेल डिनाय केला. ताजी टेक्निकलिटीजाचेर आमी मागीर येवचे पण ताजे पयलीं आनी एक तो म्हणटा सर BJPन एक स्टँड घेतला की आनीस सेकेरान पयर एक स्टेटमेंट केल्लो ऑन हाजेर की आमचे आतां सगळ्या गोंयकारांचे भितर सास फसल्याचो DNA आसा.
चोय.
ना ना
हय.
ताज्या फाटल्यान काल परत आमचो गिरिराज वेर्णेकारान फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट केलो की तो सांगपी कोण हातूंत भितर आमचे भितर DNA आसा म्हणून सांगपी तो कोण हें दिला. सो पयलीं म्हणटा BJP भितरच अंडरस्टँडींग सारकें ना. हें जाल्यार आज परत आमचो सदानंद तानावडे एक हें केलां की जे कोणें हें आमगेले रस्त्याचेर आयिल्ले हाजे ताजे आमी सामकें कडक एक्शन घेतलें म्हणून. हें जर सगळें जर पळयलें जाल्यार BJP मुडाक आसा हें थंड करपाच्या काय तांकां तें हें वाडयिल्लेच जाय.
चोय, मुगे भाशेन एज फार एज BJP इज कन्सर्न्ड, BJP हें वाडयल्ली जाय बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स देम. इट हेल्प्स देम इन द्या मेजोरिटेरियन अजेंडा. वन. Number two, Alex Sequeira is politically, morally wrong, but trying to be politically correct, which is not fitting in the scheme of things. I would say, having said that, the BJP also should have not gone to an extent to attack him, because in his own way, he was also trying to cool down tempers. When he is trying to cool down tempers, the statement from BJP side was not required, was not warranted. The party in power must always try and play a more conciliatory role. It is the people in the opposition who can act aggressively because power is not with them. So they try to show the power on the roads. The people in power should be more conciliatory in nature. मागीर ते सगळ्यांचेर एक्शन घेतले. In all agitation it happens that they file charge sheets. We all know those charge sheets reach nowhere. We all know that. In fact,
as a student leader,
in fact, I will tell you, the problem of bail is that only. People want bail to be denied. People want somebody to be arrested as a matter of revenge. It is not good criminal law that bail should be denied to somebody. But the present regime has been denying bail left, right and center, have been keeping political opponents inside left, right and center. It is this regime which has capitalized on bail provisions. This regime has weaponized bail provision. It is this very issue that the people are demanding that Velinkar be arrested. People are demanding Velinkar be arrested on the same lines as Shreya Dargadkar's arrest.
आनी दोन्ही आता भितर कंपेर केले तांकां अरेस्ट करून तांचे कडल्यान रिकवर करपा सारकें कांय ना. कितें कस्टडीर तांगेले प्रेझेन्स इन कस्टडी कित्याक जाय हाजेर काल बसून तसो आर्ग्युमेंट जालो. कित्याक लागून जाय हें कांय ना. ओन्ली फकत आमचे आउटक्राय इज देर, देन मागीर इनसाइट केले, हें केलें तें केलें. यू कॅन डील.
पळय, I am not an advocate of arrest. I am saying the rule is bail, not jail. I believe that an accused has a right of silence. I don't believe that there should be custodial interrogation. But it is this present government, particularly the BJP government at the center and in the state, that is insisting on something called custodial interrogation. And in almost every case, they want to keep people inside, knowing fully well that the criminal justice system will not give justice to the people. So now people feel in any case he will go scot free. He should be arrested.
Okay.
People are of the opinion हे कांय जावपाक ना. वेलिंगकरान मुडले ने गेले कांय जावपाक ना. So at least let him be arrested.
Okay.
It appears that is the principle on which people want Velinkar to be arrested.
सो जो हे आमी जर आतां ही चर्चा कन्क्लूड करतना तुका जर एक कितें सांगपाक जाय ह्या हाजेर सगळें कितें सांगपाक
हांव सांगपाक सोदतां की the government must be proactive in dealing with hate speech. Whenever and wherever there is a hate speech, the government must act suo motu, file FIR in every case.
ओके सो ह्या हाजेर आमी आमची चर्चा थांबयतात एक म्हणटात ते आनी सरत म्हणटात की ह्या हाजेर जर गव्हर्मेंटान जर सुरवातेकूच जर प्रोएक्टीव स्टँड घेवन जर केस दाखल केली जाल्यार इतलो हे पावस नाशिल्लो ही केस दाखल
In fact, if an FIR was launched by the state,
Yeah.
people may not even have demanded that he be arrested,
Yeah.
because the people feel that would have felt that the state is acting.
Yeah.
Here the state had abdicated his responsibility.
केन्ना जाल्यार की सामके लोक सामके रस्त्याचेर येवन आज ते
हा.
ह्या लेवलाचेर पावले की आतां ते रस्तो आडयतात
Correct.
तेन्ना
Correct.
फायल द FIR
Correct.
तर आनी एक हे आसा की जेन्ना आमी सदांच आमी जर आमी कोर्टाक वता आसतना आमी हे जर पळयता जाल्यार बाकीचे क्रिमिनल हे पळयता जाल्यार वेन तुवें जर कंप्लेन केली आनी तुवें जर तातूंत भितर कितें तरी हे तथ्य आसा हे केलें जाल्यार FIR शूड इट इज मस्ट न्ही
No, no. If offense is made out,
Yes.
then and if there is grounds to proceed, then FIR must be filed.
And here-
And see, in this case, it is very clear, and it is very clear to a child also that he was trying to incite. And coming from Velinkar, who is almost a serial offender in such matters, according to me, the police should have acted and filed a FIR.
So police have failed.
Police have failed, and if the police had acted in time, nothing of this sort would have happened.
They are failed or they are told to be failed.
That I am unable to tell you, but the police have failed, is much I say.
Okay.
But when the police fails, the government has failed.
Okay. सो ह्या ताजेर आमी आमची ही चर्चा हांगा थांबयतात एक आमी ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान सदांच सांगतात की लोकांक ग्रांटेड धरनाकात लोकांक ग्रांटेड धरल्यार कितें जाता हे हाजे पयलीं लोकांनी पळयल्या आनी काल आनी पयर 2 दीस तांच्या रस्त्याचेर आनी हाजून त्रास कोणाक जाता जे कोण इनसायट करतात किंवा हांकां जायना जे रस्त्याचेर भोंवपी आसात तांकां त्रास जाता त्या दिसा भितर अक्षरशः जाणटेल्यो बायल्यो बस ना म्हणून घरा कडेन चलून वता आसतना पळयल्यार अक्षरशः म्हणजे जाणटेले ट्युरिस्ट आपली बॅगां घेवन
Yeah, correct.
आनी तूं म्हणटा तसो पुलिसांनी बी रस्ते आडावन तातूंत भितर आनीक म्हणजे
मुगे भाशेन police could have controlled the situation better on the first day.
Yeah.
And if they had controlled the situation better on the first day, second day would not have happened.
सो हेच आमी हांगा ह्या चर्चेंतल्यान सांगपाक सोदतात की पुलिसांनी फकत हीज मास्टर वॉयस जावन काम करचें न्ही आनीक एक आसता की निमाणे कडेन लोकांक जर न्याय दितलो जाल्यार पुलिसांनी दिवपाक जाय आनी पयलो म्हळ्यार फास्ट पद्दत दिवपाक जाय पुलिसांनी दिवपाक जाय ताजे खातीर पुलिसांनी थोडे तरी प्रोएक्टीव जावन काम करचें तेका मागतात आनीक असले जेन्ना घटना घडटात तेन्ना एक जावपाक शकता की 2 समाजां मदीं उबी फूट पडून सामके एकमेकाचे कट्टर विरोधक जावपाक शकता सो तशी पाळी येवची न्ही हे खातीर गव्हर्मेंटान जे आपल्याक कितें करपाक जाय तें करचें इतलें मागतात आनी टिचर्स सोबत तुजो देव बरें करूं आनी आमचे सगळे जे पळोवपी आसात तांकांय देव बरें करूं पळय रावत गोमंतक TV.